Hello, welcome to Theosophy in Wales. I'm Dave Marsland. The multiverse. Well, here I'm talking about the possibility that there are many universes out there in an unlimited amount of space, and we can call it space, rather than parallel universes which occupy the same space as our own universe, and we can't see them because they're on a different dimension. Anyway, looking at the number of universes, possibility of there being many universes, Blavatsky talked about the eternity of the universe in toto as a boundless plane, periodically the playground of numberless universes incessantly manifesting and disappearing. Now, universe in toto, I think we would be looking at not just our own universe, the possibility that something exists beyond what we know as the universe. But putting it in context, H.P. Blavatsky was saying this in 1888, and at that time the galaxy, our galaxy, was the universe, and it remained so until 1923, when Edwin Hubble worked out that some of the stars in the sky were in fact other galaxies. So now we live in a universe of galaxies, and it's said there are 100,000 million stars in each galaxy, 100,000 million galaxies in the universe. The other thing Blavatsky postulated at the time, I think was the head of science, was that universes come and go, and we now look at this in Theosophy as the Manvantara and Pralaya, the existence and obscuration of the universe. But now science accepts that the universe has a beginning and an end. Also, Blavatsky postulated that universes reincarnate, that this universe will eventually disappear, go into obscuration, and re-emerge as a future universe. There'll be many universes in the past, and there will be many in the future. Now, as far as the universe in toto is concerned, this idea, is the universe in an attributeless void, in which case then, so multiverse will be many universes in an attributeless void, or is it an over-universe full of universes, in the same way that the universe, our universe, is full of galaxies? Also, outside the universe, do the laws of physics exist? The attributeless void would suggest that the laws of physics don't exist outside our universe, and possibly any other universe would have different laws of physics, unless, again, we're in an over-universe which has the laws of physics, and all universes within it contain the same or similar laws of physics. Now, Professor Sir Martin Rees suggested or postulates that there are 6 factors which make our universe viable. And if they weren't there, our universe would collapse, it wouldn't be viable. Now, are we just in a lucky universe? Or do other universes have exactly the same laws of physics as we have? Or is it beyond the laws of physics? Another universe just works differently, beyond our current comprehension. Anyway, as far as science is concerned, there's now a theory, or it's now been postulated that there's evidence for other universes. And it's been put forward that anomalies in radiation, or in the distribution of radiation in our own universe, suggest that there has been a gravitational pull by other universes in the early days of this universe. Now, that raises the question, gravitational pull between universes. If the universe is in an attributeless void, then clearly laws of physics, gravity wouldn't work. So there's a suggestion here. This theory is not universally accepted, but there's a suggestion here that gravitation exists between universes, and therefore the suggestion that the laws of physics exist outside the universe, and that other universes do have similar laws of physics. Obviously the other universe must have gravity. If it's pulled our universe towards or exerted an influence on our universe. So the other thing, of course, is do universes ever bang into each other? Not something to lie awake worrying about, but if there's gravity between universes, are there collisions between universes? Are we in the a multiverse in which there are an unlimited number of universes? It means 100,000 million galaxies in our universe. Are there 100,000 million universes in the multiverse? Certainly possible. And also, with the laws of physics, are the laws of physics in all universes the same because we are actually in an over-universe which governs the laws of physics within each universe? Or is the multiverse just full of lucky universes that are viable, which again raises the question if a universe isn't viable, does it reincarnate? And if so, what's the point if it's not a viable universe? Certainly our universe will bat out its time probably, because according to our laws of physics it is viable. May not be the same with every universe. Also, given an unlimited number of universes, there are probably enough viable universes left to make a decent multiverse. Anyway, Blavatsky postulated the multiverse in 1888, and it was certainly ahead of the game at the time, and it's now clear that science is taking the possibility very seriously.